My name is Carlotta Berry, and I'm a professor of electrical and computer engineering and robotics, and I'm also an open source hardware trailblazer fellow. My project is Robotics for the Streets, robots for academics to engage in service, teaching, and learning. And I have created the flower bots, Lilybot, Daisybot, and Rosybot. Lilybot is my smallest robot and is used for service and outreach, as well as for high school robotics. Daisybot is my next largest robot, and it's used for high school students or perhaps freshmen in college to engage in learning a little bit about STEM and robotics. And Rosybot, which is my research platform robot, which will be used for And today we will add a buzzer to Lilybot so that Lilybot can play sounds. Please come along, and I hope you enjoy. The robot turns off and it stops moving and it stops detecting light. Let's see what this looks like on the robot. So first we're going to turn the robot on, and what you'll see is that it immediately starts going at top speed because it's seeking out more light. So when it gets enough light, it stops, which shows love of light. And then if the light starts to dim, it starts moving back because it wants more light. The darker it gets, the faster the robot goes. So once again, the more light I bring, eventually when it's basking in the light or love of light, the robot stops. But as I take the light away, the robot starts moving to top speed.